What we'll be using for this is baking soda. Baking soda or bicarbonate of soda is very good when used on the skin. It helps to balance the skin's pH. So because environmental factors and some other things are always showing the pH of the skin out of balance, baking soda here is going to help balance it up. It also helps to exfoliate the skin. It helps get rid of dead skin cells. It helps remove hyperpigmentation and remove clogged pores on the skin. For the baking soda, I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons for this treatment. The next ingredient I'll be using for this is aloe vera. Aloe vera here is very good when used on the skin also because it helps to boost collagen production in the skin. This collagen helps to boost the elasticity of the skin, which helps get rid of fine lines, wrinkles, and also helps to plump the skin. Aloe vera is also loaded with a lot of vitamins like vitamin B1. It's also loaded with vitamin C and a whole lot of vitamin that is also very good for the skin. For the aloe vera, I'm going to be needing a little quantity of this, so I'm going to chop it out and I'll remove the sides with the spike. Then I'm going to remove the upper part because what I want from this is the gel. So I'm going to get my blender cup because I'll be blending this up, and I'll use a spoon to take the gel out of this. The next ingredient I'll be using for this is cucumber, and cucumber here is very good when it comes to soothing the skin. It also hydrates the skin, and when the skin is hydrated, it's going to be plump, it's going to fill out wrinkles and fine lines, and it's going to make the skin very smooth and helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines or wrinkles on the skin. Cucumber is also very soothing on the skin. It helps to nourish the skin and also helps to clear up the skin, getting rid of rashes or pimples on the skin. For the cucumber, I'm going to be using this quantity. This size is enough for what I'll be preparing, so I'm just going to slice this up. And then put it in my blender cup. So I'll go ahead and blend this, and after blending I'll be back to show you. After blending, here is what it looks like, and then I'm going to get my baking soda and I'm going to add 3 teaspoons to the baking soda. I'm trying to get a consistency here, so I'll stir it up to see if I have the consistency I need. And yes, this consistency is exactly what I need for this treatment. The next thing I'll be needing is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to moisturize the skin. It also helps to firm up the skin and get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. For the coconut oil, I'll be adding half a teaspoon. I don't want to make use of too much for this. Just half a teaspoon of coconut oil is okay for this treatment. Then the next thing I'm going to use for this is a lemon, and this is going to help add to the vitamin C content of this facial treatment that I'm preparing. So for this lemon juice, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon to it, and this is also going to help brighten up the skin, firm up the skin, and also helps get rid of hyperpigmentation. So after adding all this, I'm going to go ahead and stir it up properly. So this is exactly what we have here. So I'll go ahead and show you how to make use of this. So these the marks I just finished preparing, or the treatment I just finished preparing. So I'm going to show you how you will apply this on your face. So you can either make use of a brush or you use your fingertips, but whenever I'm applying product that contains physical exfoliants like baking soda or sugar, I like using my fingers to apply it so that I can get the full benefit from it. So I'm just using circular motion like this. So what you want to do is make sure you touch all your face with this product. Make sure you scrub everywhere with this product except your eyes, and then scrub under your chin and your neck. This is very important as well. Scrub your neck. Whatever you do to your face, do same to your neck. So I'm scrubbing this in gentle circular motion. You don't want to be rough when doing this. If not, you may injure yourself. So make sure you are going gently. Scrub around your nose, your mouth area, where tends to get dark the most. You scrub it, and where you tend to have white heads and black heads, you scrub that area as well. So after scrubbing this all over, I'll go ahead and wait for 5 minutes, and after waiting for 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and wash this off. And you can wash off with either cold water or your lukewarm water. After washing off, you feel that your skin will be very smooth and soft. Then go ahead and use your moisturizer, use your face moisturizer on your skin. In order for your face not to dry out, you need to make use of a moisturizer. So I'll wait for about 5 minutes, then I'll wash this off. After washing it off, I'll be back to show you. So this is my face after washing it out. You can see how fresh my face is looking. You know, this scrub is so good. It makes my skin to be very, very soft, like a baby's skin. So what I'm going to do next is to get my face moisturizer. So this is my face cream, and I'll just apply a little bit on my face. Then I will massage it softly. So it's advisable for you to use both hands when massaging this. So massage your forehead, your eye area, in order to avoid eye wrinkles, and then make sure you are lifting your face up. You don't want your skin to sag, so you lift it up. Okay, when you apply your cream, don't apply like this. If not, you have like kind of saggy, droopy face. So make sure you are lifting it up like this and under your chin, your nose, and under your eye. So after moisturizing, that's just it. That's the end of the treatment. Do go ahead and repeat this once in a week. So there is no need of you repeating this up to 2-3 times in a week. Just once in a week is okay for you, okay? And it is going to transform your skin. It's going to transform your skin and make your skin look very young, supple, and plump. If you found the video helpful, please do share it with your friends. Give it a thumbs up. I really do need it. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Open up the description box. I have some links there for you that you may want to check out as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel where I make videos with my husband. The link is in the description box, okay? Eti and Mark is the channel name. Do check that out as well. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye. Stay beautiful.